what, 2 minutes? We'll just sit and watch. There you are.
I'll tell you what, he got out from nowhere. I can't believe it. This guy.
Mabuhay billiard fans, I am EFREN Reyes. They call me the Magician, and I am one of your hosts today. We will be talking about my big match way back in 1996. This is the semifinals of the Legends of 9-Ball tournament held at Commerce Casino in Los Angeles, United States of America. I matched up against Jim Rempe. They're known as King James. I think he was ranked in the top 5 of the Pro Billiards Tour at the time. But of course, I needed to bring my A game because my country, the Philippines, and the Filipino people were counting on me. So I passed the mic to my friend Daniel to talk more about this.
Thanks, EFREN, for the intro. Now buckle up, pool fans, as we dive into this historic match that left a mark in the world of pool.
Please like this video and subscribe to see more of me, EFREN Reyes.
He let the cue ball fly.
And he made a ball.
Yeah, this is the first.
This intense 9-ball match is a race to 11 games. Jim Rempe won the lag and breaks first. He will be having a long shot on the 1-ball here.
Because a lot of times the first shot sets up the momentum of the match. Boy, he hit that in clean.
Yeah. And
What
he's
a
got
great
that
opening
position
shot.
on the two. I would think it would be nice to get off on the right foot. And he's got to
The semifinals match between Jim Rempe, representing America, versus EFREN Reyes, representing Philippines.
Look at this.
Didn't want that.
Look where the cue ball wound up. Look where the cue
We start here in the first rack, where Jim Rempe missed the 3-ball. But he was a bit lucky, since he did not left EFREN an open shot. The cue ball well hidden behind the 5-ball here. Let's observe what he does here.
the 3. He can easily shoot the 5 in the side.
Well, he's made
Missed it.
He made it.
He made it.
Great shot. I tell you, this kid can play
I believe
this game.
half the Filipino nation
Well,
is here tonight.
Could very
And so I was lucky.
That shot, yeah.
I made the 3-ball there
talking about.
and got position on the 5 next.
He's a national treasure in the Philippine Islands. What he does rates headlines, big time headlines.
He beats me.
I tried to control the speed of that shot to somehow get position on the 5 next,
Way up.
in the side next.
Oh, perfect. I mean, he
This is the opening match, the opening game in the race to 11, and Reyes got a
The reason why I am a bit good in kick shots, because I played carom and 3 cushion billiards professionally before. I literally stopped playing pool for 5 to 6 years and focused only on carom and 3 cushion billiards.
We have to go 2 rails across. Oh, he
Difficult
missed
shot.
the 8.
as
Back for the 9.
hit it perfect.
I was a bit careless there and missed the 8-ball badly.
bad shot, and has come up now with the
He's playing pretty good.
Jim Rempe scored first in this match, so they don't get lucky.
Wow, it did again.
yeah.
We move on now to rack 5. Luckily, I made a ball on the break here.
We might have to break.
The only thing I can do on the 1 ball here is to play a solid safe.
Can't get it by the 6.
I executed that shot quite good, and Jim Rempe has no choice but to kick.
11. Champion.
Worley's won a lot more than
I'm
that.
sure he's played everywhere in the world.
Okay, he couldn't hit it, I guess, so
He made a good contact,
he's,
but he gave me a possible 1-2 combination shot.
he could play defense behind the 2, or he could believe.
Yes, he is.
Let me tell you, I don't know if there's a shot this guy can't pull off.
I tried to be aggressive here, and I took the combination shot. And luckily, I landed with a good shot on the 1 ball to potentially clear this rack.
1 rail. No, he's going to play the 6.
Another combination?
Yes, sir.
Oh, my kind of guy. My kind of guy. He leads 3 games to 1. He may
Well.
just run away and hide from Rempe.
If Rempe's not careful, that's what's going to happen.
No problem down there, is there, with those three?
In 1976, other players were avoiding playing me, so I started playing other games like three-cushion billiards and balkline to find people who would play me for money.
No. I'll tell you what, when you have it going, you have it going.
In 1985, I used the alias Cesar Morales to hide my identity when I started my career in the U.S. I purposely hid my identity because the name EFREN Reyes was already known in the U.S. at that time. The Americans knew the name EFREN Reyes as the best player from the Philippines, but since they did not know my face, I changed my name so that players would not avoid me.
4-1 lead and the race to 11. And the crowd not necessarily pulling against.
I try to beat myself too.
Scratched.
Oh, look at that. He made it 9
And
scratched. Oh, my goodness.
In rack 9,
God.
Jim Rempe made a golden break, but unfortunately he scratched.
Now Reyes leading 5-3, ball in hand.
So I start here with ball in hand.
Three.
This is now rack 9, and I am leading 5 racks
Very
to 3.
loudly at that.
It's a marvel of position, isn't he? He just always seems to have the cue ball where he wants it.
Nick, what's he doing?
I can't tell.
But I know I still don't want to be confident, and I should stay focused on the match. Because my opponent is Jim Rempe, one of the best players at this time. Jim Rempe is also a world 9-ball champion and a Hall of Famer.
Yes, is about to run this rack and will take a 6-3 lead in what could have been a one-match difference. And it's going to be a 3-game advantage now. Reyes leads 6-3.
Now it's 3 games and Reyes is breaking.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Reyes leads 6-3, and with the break, almost made the 9-ball and almost had a scratch.
This is rack 10, a very interesting one. I made a ball on the break, but was left with a very tough shot on the 2.
Bank it, follow forward, and play kind of a two-way shot, a safety and an offensive shot. No, he went for the...
Give me a break, will you?
What a shot.
Give me a break. This guy pulls things out of his hat.
I really tried to play that shot, catching the long rail first, and then went 4 rails to somehow get a shot on the 3 next.
Up 7-3. Rempe will just sit and watch. There you are.
I tell you what.
I went for the combination shot on the 9-ball, but I played it as a 2-way shot, setting up a safety in case I missed it.
Cuts the 2. Here's the 3 into the 9. Perfect. But the
Look at the combination. But he not only made the 2 preceding that, he ran it through all the cluster of...
Sometimes you need a lot of bouncy shot, you know.
To see this cue ball fall in the right place.
missed it.
Side pocket,
Missed it.
side pocket. He got that little kick.
We now move on to rack 18.
Missed it.
I made a big miss on the 2-ball.
Suddenly, when the score is 9-8, the pockets tighten up a little bit.
I'm only leading by 1 rack against Jim Rempe, 9-8.
Well,
Tell you what, he didn't
Get a little
where he
more of
wants.
it.
He didn't get where he wants. He's going all the way, and he's going long. What a nice shot.
Jim Rempe played so well and was able to catch up.
Thinking forward. 9-ball. Oh, wow. Ooh, boy, that's a small hole coming across there. Would you play that like that?
no, no.
Jim Rempe has a snooker background
I think we've got a tie match.
and reached the top 64 in the 1987 World Snooker Championship.
Upper corner, 9-9.
There it is. This is some comeback, ladies and gentlemen. Reyes and Rempe tied it.
This is rack 20, and I am a bit nervous because Jim Rempe now on the hill 10 to 9.
For the money. Going for the cheese. I love it. That's the way to do it. Missed it. Missed it. Oh! Oh!
Looks like we got a 10-10.
I was happy to get a chance when Jim Rempe tried for the cross-side bank on the 2-ball, but he missed the mark.
Rempe leads 10-9, but Reyes is on the threshold of tying it at 10.
Now I have an opportunity to put myself on the hill as well.
Both players have just played so good.
Did you know that I hold the record for the highest recorded earnings of any pool player? In 2006, I won the most amount of money in tournament play in a single season, totaling $645,000.
Right in the center.
Well, he was ahead 9-4, and he fell behind 10-9, and Rempe now sits and watches, and sending the race to 11 right down to the final match.
Yeah, it wasn't an easy shot, but I think I'd had to go for it myself.
Always go for the cheese.
I don't get that much money because I give percentage to my stake horse and also tax.
9 goes in. It's unbelievable.
So there we are.
And this is the moment everyone is waiting for a Hill semi-final match.
And with it, the man that will go to the finals against Jimmy West.
You have to know the magic.
Oh! Oh. Did you make a ball? No.
No. Came up empty.
This is the final tiebreaker rack. Unfortunately,
Well, what did he leave?
I got dry on the break.
Well, he's
Mistake. Whatever you do, make it work right.
He's going for the 9.
how can he do that?
Jim Rempe may have made a terrible mistake here. Instead of going for a defensive shot, he went for a carom on the 9-ball. He missed his mark and has now left a long,
I'm a little surprised
open
he
shot
got the
for
9
me.
there instead of the snooker. Okay, here's the 1, here's the 2. Getting position on the 2 is the problem. What a kill shot. Just a marvelous kill.
I made the 1 ball and held the cue ball for the 2 ball next. I was so nervous and pressured at this time, but I needed to stay calm and focused on my goal. I landed a little too straight on the 3 ball, which is not ideal. I need to cheat the pocket here. There's no other choice.
Oh my God. Oh.
I will look for you. I will find you.
Tom Kelly is looking straight down at the floor.
That's amazing. That is
I
amazing.
feel the pressure oozing
boy.
out of your head.
Oh, boy.
I almost missed the 3 ball there, but I was really relieved it went in. I could not imagine how I handled the pressure
Yeah, but
in that
I
situation.
mean, it would have been a tougher way to get out.
Make a pressure is good, like a nervous. You know?
Can you make that up there? No, he wasn't even thinking.
No, pretty crowded up there.
He's smiling.
Yeah.
I thought I could pot the 5 ball in the corner pocket,
I mean, it's...
but it doesn't go, so I'll be forced to pot the 5 in the side pocket.
I think he was
can do
worried
it.
about
We've-
making the
we've
4
seen
there,
him.
Steve.
You just did it.
He's still got a problem.
Yeah? Well, let's see how he's going to get position on the 7. The crowd is going crazy with every shot that this guy makes.
I think he's got to go
Everyone.
forward.
And everybody's offering suggestions, or apparently so, because he's looking at the crowd.
He's got to go forward, hit a little high right-hand English, and play position for the 7 of where he's standing.
The winner goes to the championship.
soft.
He didn't hit it.
This is the last spot I would want the cue ball to be in. It's beside the rail, and this could prevent me from having an accurate shot on the 7 ball.
Right here.
Well, this match
But I know I have to stay aggressive to win this match, so I'm going for it.
6 in a row, went ahead 10-9. Just do it! Saw Reyes come back to even it up at 10, and now this is it, the race to 11. The winner will be decided in a couple of moments. What makes you think he can't make that 7 over in the
Oh,
corner?
he can. He can, but it's not easy, especially when the score is what it is. Oh my God, he hit it 1,000,000 miles an hour. He hit 1,000,000 miles an hour. I don't know how he did that. The crowd is going crazy here. Oh,
He almost scratched him.
Yeah, but he almost made the 9 ball
he
too on the
almost
other
scratched, he
end.
almost made the 9.
Maybe I get lucky.
He almost made everything.
I really tried for this shot. I was able to
He makes it.
pot the 7 ball solidly into the corner and luckily got position on the 8.
Oh my God, what a way he's doing this. Look at the crowd going crazy. The crowd is going crazy.
They love him.
Everybody's going crazy. I can't believe it.
11-10.
What a match.
Reyes outlasts
Standing
Rempe.
ovation.
After all, I won this epic match 11-10 against the top player of America, Jim Rempe. I have moved on to the finals and has defeated Jimmy Wedge, becoming the overall winner as the PBT Legend Champion in 1996. I truly enjoyed this match. The thrill and excitement are unforgettable. I'm grateful to have won this tournament. Thank you to all my fans for your support. And to everyone who watched, please like this video and subscribe to see more of me, EFREN Reyes. Goodbye for now. I appreciate you all and keep playing, keep learning for the sport we love. Mabuhay!